Guess how to run back to the apartment. What'd you have to get?
We had to get butt wipes.
Yeah.
Had to make sure all the doors were locked.
Tram's here. We're at the Malerweg Trail, stage 1. If you'd like to follow us, please like and subscribe our channel, hit the notification bell, and follow us on our adventures.
We are going to be hiking for 2 hours and 15 minutes. So, a long journey, but we'll see you later. Bye.
We made it to the bus stop.
Yes, and there's multiple people here going through stage 1, probably a couple stages today.
They look serious, like serious hikers. Look at their stuff. I mean, they're ready.
They have like sleeping bags, probably.
Oh, they have their hiking sticks.
Oh, we need some.
We should have gotten hiking sticks.
I know.
No, you should. You don't need hiking sticks.
How many miles are we supposed to go today?
2?
Sure.
I don't know.
There's a little more than 2.
3?
More.
4?
A little more.
5?
Nope.
7?
Yes.
We're going 7 miles?
Yeah.
I did not know that.
Yeah, I didn't either until this morning. We just got off the bus and we're heading to the start of the trail with apparently everybody else.
Oh, the rock climbing.
Yeah. Isn't that cool?
Do this.
I don't know where to go, but here we go. So we're here, Liebetal,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
And we go to Stadtvalen,
Stop.
Valen.
There.
That's where we go.
So all the way.
All right, ready? Let's do this. Oh, better area here to walk into. Oh, look.
Auf jeden Fall ist es immer sehr
Ich verstehe nicht, ob das ist. Oh.
Good.
Yay. We don't have to go up the big hill. Yay.
This way.
Woo. That could have been a bad mistake. So we walk next to the old castle. Ooh. It's our favorite thing to do when we hike. Rex. Okay. Oh, that was fun. Oh man.
This is definitely a different part of the hike that we're used to, where it's just hiking down a street.
Well, now we walk through fields.
Pretty nice. Gradual uphill.
Oh yeah, I see all those people up there. And our favorite thing to do, go up more hills.
More hill.
This is it's a little one.
I gotta pee.
Well, what's been going on?
So we are 2 miles into it.
Mm-hmm.
So we're 2 miles into it. We just came up from this way. And now we have to go that way.
That way.
It's a nice view though.
It is a nice view. There's a path down there. Well, we don't go that way. We just came from that way, and now we need to go this way. That's all the way over there that we need to go.
What do we think, this hike so far?
I
I like it.
don't.
Not as hard. Stage
Yeah.
1 is not as hard as stage 2.
Yeah, baby.
Yes, it is long. It's not hard at all, really. But you
It's
do.
not really. Stage 1 is pretty easy.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Go for it.
But we do have these pretty trees that we can look at.
I know, I like it. Now we get to go downhill. What, do we need to wait because people are coming?
No.
This one's marked so much better than number 2. We think we hike on the side of the road right now. We think. I mean, this path looks like a pretty well-traveled path.
There's some signs that we need to follow, right?
Oh,
2 hours and 10 minutes.
Not too bad, 2 hours and 10 minutes. We got this, guys. Which way do we go, guys?
I mean, people are walking up that way.
Are they?
Yeah.
Should we go that way? Oh, back again. It's our hike. We are just walking again like this. We got 2 hours and 13 minutes. Not too bad. My dad and my mom behind me. No one's in front of us, just me. But this is
The cows?
so. Okay, we are on the hike now, and there's some cows back there, and then we just got trees and stuff. So let's go. And people are following us because they're doing that trail too. So my dad is doing all trails so we don't get off the wrong line. I mean the wrong thing. So I'm gonna just hop off to the next one like this, and then shall be good. I will see you in later.
We are hiking in the middle of nowhere. A little PB&J action for lunch.
Good.
Yeah. Enough peanut butter, enough jelly? Good. How was our lunch?
Good.
Good?
Good.
Gut. A gut, Mittagessen? Isn't that lunch? Anyways. Now we're hiking through another small village. Now we get to hike along another main road.
Whoa.
We know we're on the right trail. Thanks to those stickers.
Hiking up there. Going on this side. Into middle of nowhere again.
Berg Hotel Bastille. 5,000 meters.
That way.
That way.
Oh wow.
That's fine.
I mean, look, now
5,000 meters. Well, back to the video. Well, we got some beautiful out in the middle of nowhere, and we are hiking, and I think we have like an hour and like 20 minutes now. Sorry, just went to the lane accidentally, but yeah, and I'm gonna take the water.
COVID through the trees. I think I was throwing up. Now we're back going through the forest.
Oh man.
I know.
I feel bad for him.
Well, he's taking on the Malerweg. He's taking on the Malerweg stage 1. That old man. Probably not in the best hiking shape. I didn't see. All right. Now back to the woods. So we just hit the 5 mile mark on the Malerweg stage 1. Good?
Ouch.
All right. We're good.
We got to a part of the trail up there a ways that split, and you could either go left into the forest or right and keep along this pasture. They end up at the same place, so you can go into the forest if you're hot or stay in the sun if it's too cool outside, but they both end up here. Just FYI.
A car steering wheel.
Pitchfork
Pitchfork. Sort of.
and so much glass.
So much glass they cleaned up. Right here.
Cool. Let's carry on. Let's go. Alright, this tells us where we're at.
Should be right up here somewhere. Here, maybe? Should be like right here. Bell.
Notification bell so that you get notified when we post new videos. It's long, but not hard. I couldn't even say that seriously.
They're boring sometimes, but yeah, pretty good. See you later. My parents right there. This is me. You've seen me before. I'm not. But yeah. You've seen me on videos before. I have a famous shirt I wear all the time. I don't know why, but my friend called it. And it's my glow-in-the-dark shirt. Bioluminescent.
One more time.
Okay. What do I say? Okay, give me
Like and subscribe.
like and subscribe. No, hang on. Ready? Like and subscribe our channel. Thank you. I don't like that either. You can't use that one anymore.